The new NotebookLM updates just dropped and they are absolutely insane. We're talking about exporting your stuff anywhere you want. We're talking about AI that turns your messy notes into perfect tables. This is huge and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. But first, quick intro. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's start with the first update. Export notes and reports anywhere. So here's what changed. You know how you'd create notes or study guides or briefing docs inside NotebookLM? Now you can export them. Just go to your studio panel, find whatever you saved, click the three dots next to it, then choose export. You can send it to Google Docs or Google Sheets. And here's the cool part. If your content has tables in it, NotebookLM is smart enough to send it straight to Sheets. So you get editable tables right away. No copying and pasting, no reformatting, just instant export. Why does this matter? Because NotebookLM is now a real workspace tool. Before this update, everything lived inside NotebookLM. You couldn't really share it or edit it with your team. Now you can. You create a study guide in NotebookLM, export it to Docs, and share it with your study group. You make a briefing doc, export it to Sheets, and your whole team can edit it. This makes NotebookLM way more powerful for collaboration. Students can use this, researchers can use this, teams can use this. It's not just a viewer anymore, it's a real tool that fits into your workflow. And honestly, this is what people have been asking for, the ability to take what you build in NotebookLM and actually use it somewhere else. Now you can export to Docs if you want to write more, export to Sheets if you want to track data. It's that simple. And it works with everything you create in the studio panel, notes, study guides, reports, all of it. One click and it's in your Google Drive ready to go. But the export feature is just the warm-up. The second update is the real game changer. Data tables. This is the insane part. NotebookLM can now turn your messy content into structured tables automatically. Like you upload a meeting transcript or a research paper or a bunch of notes. Then you tell NotebookLM to make a data table. And it analyzes everything and creates a clean, organized table for you. No manual work. The AI does it all. Here's how it works. You go into NotebookLM, you select the sources you want to use, then you ask it to create a data table. NotebookLM reads through everything, it finds the key info, it organizes it into rows and columns, and boom, you have a table. Then you can export that table straight into Google Sheets. So now you have editable data you can analyze, sort, filter, whatever you need. And honestly, if you want to stay ahead with tools like NotebookLM and automate more of your business with AI, you need to join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share the exact systems and automations we use to scale our agency. You learn how to use tools like NotebookLM to organize your research, automate your workflows, and save hundreds of hours. We've got members who are using AI to cut their workload in half. If you want to scale your business, get more customers, and save time with AI automation, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place to be. Link is in the description. Let me give you some use cases because this is where it gets really powerful. Imagine you have a meeting transcript, lots of ideas, lots of action items, but it's all scattered. You throw it into NotebookLM, ask it to create a data table, and now you have a clean table with every action item, who's responsible, and the deadline done. Or let's say you're doing competitor research. You have notes on 5 different competitors. You ask NotebookLM to make a table comparing them side by side, features, pricing, target audience, all laid out. Or you're a student studying for exams, you have lecture notes from 10 different classes, you ask NotebookLM to create a study table with all the key concepts, definitions, and examples, instant study guide, or you're planning a project. You have brainstorming notes, timelines, team assignments, all mixed together.